of you have asked us to make a clear phone case with flowers in it, so we're going to do it for you right here with Resin Markers UV Resin. We just released a ton of new pressed flowers in the shop, so you guys gotta check these out. All you do is soak them in resin and then place them wherever you want in here. Just make sure the resin is very, very thin. You want it level, but thin enough to where it's not going to make your phone sit above where the ledge is inside the case. Once you get everything where you want it, we're going to cure it with the Magic Cure lamp, 36 watts, 60 seconds on each side. And here is the end result. This is super cute and I love the nature behind it. And my phone actually fits perfect in it. So this was a great case. So many people ask, do we do the flowers on the outside or the inside? I prefer to do them on the inside as long as the case has room for them. But if you do them on the inside, they will forever be protected. So that's why I did it. And it turned out great. So I hope you try this one.